Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samantha Nicole. I have been doing a lot of videos. You guys have been liking them. I've been sharing them on YouTube. I've been sharing them on Facebook, and I've been sharing them here on the gram. All of our IGTV lives or our videos. If you guys like the video, please put a thumbs up, like it, put a comment, or just DM me. I think that it has been wonderful getting your guys' feedback. I have really enjoyed creating these videos. Even through all this quarantine, it's been great to get to know you guys all over again. And I feel like we're all getting a little bit more connected. So I asked you guys last week if you guys wanted me to do a video on a jelly mask at home that you guys could do. I've had several clients already ordered. We've pre-packaged them, we have mailed them out, and they are probably in your front door or in your mailbox. So thank you guys so much, and let's get started. So the jelly mask is something that you guys could do, and you can create it two different ways. You can put the jelly mask on your face. This jelly mask is for everyone. It is for a combination. It is for oily. It is really to brighten your skin and make it glow. I have been using the jelly mask probably every fourth day, and I've seen a huge difference, and I like looking natural. I like having no makeup on. I suffered from adult acne too. A lot of people don't know that. I did probably about 5 years ago, and I've suffered from, rosacea, redness, all these good, all these common things that a lot of people have. So with our jelly mask, when you order it, you're gonna get it in a little tub, and you're gonna pour your tub into a little round bowl. I've had this bowl forever. I use it for all my face masks. And in your little jar, you're gonna put 2 teaspoons if you wanna just lay it on. You're gonna wash your hands, of course, because you want to be able to do it. I'm not gonna use a regular face mask, a face brush, to apply it. I'm just gonna use my fingers because at home on a regular basis, you guys are not using face brushes. You guys are just applying it however. So I'm gonna show you just a really easy way to apply it. So you'll put your little face mask into the bowl. I've measured it. It is 2 teaspoons, and then you're gonna apply 2 teaspoons of water. So I'm getting it from a different bowl, and I'm gonna apply it in here. And you're going to mix it in. You're gonna get your favorite scrunchie. If you are wearing makeup, you're definitely going to want to get a good face wash out and remove all your makeup. But if you're at home and you're not already wearing makeup, you're going to pull everything back. Put your spoon to the side. And with your clean hands, you're going to grab your mask, and you're going to apply your mask going up. You never want to touch your skin going down. If you want to lay down while doing this, you can add a little bit more of your mask from your container, and you can add more. It is definitely buildable. I'm going to add more so you guys can see it on camera, but I'm not going to add a lot because we want it to kind of stick on. Like if I'm going to watch TV or I'm going to watch the news, which I'm not trying to do. I mean, I've missed everybody so much. I miss all my clients. I miss my stylist. I miss seeing everybody. I miss my networking events. But it's okay because this is like time that I get to spend with my family. I was watching a TV show with my son. I'm not going to say which TV show because I feel like it's, you know, I understand he's 14, but also like, oh my gosh, he's growing up so quick. But, okay. I'm watching the shows that you guys are suggesting. The one with Reese Witherspoon. I want to call it Fireflies. I don't know why it's not called that. But I'm on episode 4 already. The new one releases today, Wednesday. Holy moly, I'm so excited for it. And I haven't watched the Tiger Man episode. Guy, I know it's not called Tiger Man, but you know, I haven't seen it. And it's April 1st. So happy April 1st, right? Stay positive, guys. We're going to get through this for sure. For sure, for sure, for sure. Remember, you want to go up. I mean, you can put a little bit down if you need to go down, but mostly you want you want everything to go up. I don't want to be contradicting to myself if I went down. I just want to make sure to get enough. And so then you're going to sit here and you're going to enjoy a good TV show. You're going to pour yourself a glass of fancy water or a glass of wine. I will admit, I hadn't drank wine through this quarantine till yesterday. But yesterday I really needed a good cup of wine. So I enjoyed it. I'm relaxing and we're just going to wait. You're going to leave this on, put a timer on your phone and leave it on for 10 minutes. And I will see you guys soon in 10 minutes. Hey guys, okay, I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes. I left it on 5 minutes longer. And I really wanted you guys to see, like, when you're applying your mask, you want to put it on the heavier sides. And if you saw my time lapse, you really want to make sure that on here, if you feel like it's too close to your hairline, you don't want to pull your hair. I always get a little bit too excited, so I always do. And you just want to make sure that you wet this and where you're applying a little bit more, so when it's easy to peel off, you can see it like that. So if you went overboard just a little bit, that's fine. We all get carried away sometimes. You're just going to want to get a warm towel and you're going to want to apply it on your hairline. Just so you can be very gentle. And so it peels off. And you can see right here. And it's just going to be like, like a jelly mask. You're going to see it come off. It looks so funny. I haven't seen it on, you know, my wife makes so much fun of me when I'm doing this, but I don't get to see this. I get to see this for the first time in a mirror. And so you're just going to pull it off like that. So be careful with your eye too, because it's the most sensitive area. You don't want to create wrinkles. We all want to look young forever, right? I mean, my goals are Victoria Beckham. That's what I want to look like when I'm older. I don't know about you guys. I don't know who you're fangirling. But that's how the jelly mask will be. It's super, and you're just going to see your skin's like very hydrated. And you can tell right here, look at on the glow of it. It's so awesome. Again, you want to be very gentle around your eyes. And you're just putting all the excess jelly back into the bowl where you mixed your face mask. Don't use all of it either. I mean, you're getting a good amount in your jars that you get, your containers when you're mailing it to you. So you definitely want to, you see how I got in my hair? Okay. Be careful with your eyes. And everywhere that you feel like there isn't enough to grab, you're just going to want to get to your towel, get a little bit of warm water in a different bowl, and then you're just going to want to remove it off. You can hear Baba going crazy because we're not used to like so many kids being outside playing in their backyards, not in the front yard. Okay, and you're just gonna remove it just like that all over. Here too in the middle, again, because you really want to be careful with your skin that is around your eyebrow area or around your eye, because it's such sensitive skin. You just want to grab a towel and you want to remove the excess off like that. Okay guys, once you guys are done removing all the excess, you guys are going to put your favorite moisturizer. I'm not going to tell you which one I'm using because that's going to be for another video this coming week. So you're going to have to stay tuned which moisturizer I'm using. I also use cool compressants that I leave in my refrigerator. I will go grab them, I'll put them under my eyes, and I will watch some TV while I am letting, you know, the puffiness go away. You can see my skin looks great. It is glowing, it is hydrated. I have been using jelly masks for the past couple of months. I've been using them on a regular basis since we've been here at home. I have seen all my dry skin go away, and my T-zone I feel like is less oily, so I have combination skin. Everybody has different issues, so I feel like this mask is really good for any skin type. So if you guys like the video, thumbs up, put a comment, DM me, messenger, because I'm putting this video everywhere. I hope you guys like all the videos, and I will see you guys next week, and I'm gonna send you guys tons of love. I hope you guys are doing great, and I'm gonna see you on the story. So talk to you soon, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.